Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy here. Again, my disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. So I took another day off. I wanted to kind of see how the market was going to go, and we had a little bit of a dip. When was it? Thursday, but as anticipated, came back, and it's nice to see Fridays being green again. So just looking at the total crypto market, we're back at about 1.8 trillion. We could see maybe 2 trillion by the end of this weekend. I mean, great appreciations today. Bitcoin around 59. Ethereum back at about almost 1900, and so on and so forth. Just going to go straight into some very, very cool articles. I'm not going to hold you guys up too long. Ethereum supply crunch will fuel rise above $10,000, according to crypto trader Lark Davis. Now, again, a lot of these crypto trading people, these, in my opinion, are just people that have been around for a while, that have a lot of followers on social media, and based on the amount of people that follow them, gives them some kind of street cred. And again, it's not a bash. It's just you're not going to get a CNBC or Market Watch or Bloomberg crypto analyst, because those guys don't exist. Because what's their job? Not to promote cryptos. But anyways, crypto analyst and trader Lark Davis says he expects Ethereum to appreciate by at least 400%. I've told you guys, in my opinion, and also from history, being in crypto since about 2011, Ethereum, I think I purchased my first Ethereum at $10, and I'm still holding it. And Ethereum usually paces Bitcoin at about a 10% value. He says, Davis first notes that the number of long-term Ethereum holders is rising as whales appear to eat up Ethereum supplies. Plus, the upcoming London fork is going to decrease their gas fees, and in addition, become a deflationary crypto, which is massive. Great article. You guys should read it. Daily Hodl is a website that I check on a daily basis. It's dailyhodl.com. Second article off of Daily Hodl is Bitcoin Firebrand's Michael Saylor and Max Kaiser counter critics of Bitcoin's energy consumption. I like this article a lot for a few reasons. One, it's a demonizing tactic where they say, oh, well, Bitcoin is very, just the amount of energy to mine Bitcoin is almost the size of some country's total energy. And in my opinion, I think it's bullshit. Excuse my French, but if the mainstream narrative is to demonize Bitcoin because of its environmental impact on the planet, don't you think that printing money is far greater? Don't you think the wars fought over the US dominance is greater? Think of the amount of paper, the amount of ink, the amount of resources to transport cash. So whenever you hear the demonization of Bitcoin due to its environmental impact, it's bullshit. So again, when you see all these demonizing articles, you know that they don't want you to get into Bitcoin. That's when you buy. But again, I've provided you guys with my strategy on what to kind of consider buying versus Bitcoin. Again, I'm not bashing Bitcoin, but I just think you'll get bigger bang for your buck with other cryptos. Ripple News, or XRP, SEC is pushing to de-anonymize movements of XRP held by top Ripple executives. Just some background info. One of the partners that left Ripple a few years ago, as part of his separation package, I think he was given a few billion XRP. And what he was doing was selling it on the market, I think it was monthly, because they would allocate a certain amount of XRP that he could liquidate. And that was pretty much keeping the price of Bitcoin down. And I think as part of this bogus SEC lawsuit against Ripple and XRP, I believe that they want to, when I say they, either the SEC want to kind of bring in ownership of the escrow account of the XRP tokens, so that they, meaning either the SEC or a third independent party, can control the escrow of Ripple's XRP account, because they don't want some dude, some partner, being able to manipulate the price of XRP when the banks, kind of take part of it. And again, just to confirm, there are articles confirming as fact that Ripple has pre-established over 400 or so relationships with banks around the world. Believe me, Ripple may even become a bank itself, but they have big plans for XRP. Another article, Bitcoin analyst plan predicts BTC price will rise above controversial stock to flow forecast. And looking at the different cycles between, I think it was 2011, 2013, 2017, and now 2021, it's not that history is repeating itself, it's that history is rhyming. There's a similarity there. So it's not that Bitcoin is doing exactly what it's done in the past, but it's doing something very, very similar. So this is when you start getting into the technical analysis. But it just says here, the analyst who first applied the stock to flow model to Bitcoin says the top cryptocurrency is set to rise 5 times from its current levels. I mean, I think it can even go higher, but on the short term. According to the pseudonymous analyst, plan B, whatever, BTC will blow past 100,000 price level predicted by his original S2F model, as well as a rise above 288. Guys, Bitcoin is still cheap, bottom line. And this last article is a little bit outside of the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm going to use the word because I don't want YouTube to start banning me. I'm going to use the word the cerveza bug. Now, Europe is going to be facing a third wave. Guys, this will also have an impact on cryptos. It will also have an impact on economies around the world. Inflation is going to kick in, and this pandemic is being used for a purpose, a significant purpose. And I would just want my listeners to be prepared, because you're not going to get any real news out of the mainstream media. That's just my opinion. I don't think I've watched any mainstream media in a long time, because I just think that they're full of shit. So prepare for this. We may see endless waves. We may see a break for the summer, and then it's going to kick in again, and we will see trends in Europe first, possibly even South Africa, the UK, then the US, and rinse, repeat. It's going to be the same. It's going to be the same thing. This pandemic is going to be used to do whatever they want. So in my opinion, you guys should look for alternative resources to get your information and to invest in non-traditional investments. All right, guys, I'm going to stop there. We have a good weekend ahead of us, and I'm not going to say what everyone else says, so do not like, do not share, and definitely do not smash the like button. Cheers, guys. Thanks.